Christmas in April is able to go in and very simply, sometimes with simple repairs and sometimes with extensive work, put new hope and new energy and joy back into the lives of those people. I think there's a lot of joy. We're here to help revitalize this neighborhood and serve as a big example as to what can happen when good people come together to help their community. People really care about their communities and make a big difference in the lives of low-income homeowners.
It seems impossible that you could put a new furnace in, perhaps re-roof a house, paint it inside and out, and maybe redo a front porch all in the course of a day. But we have folks across the country who are working year-round to put that complicated formula in place so that on that day, people can blitz that house, and it happens.